honorable ministers on the dais, respected dignitaries on the dais and the audience, and ladies and gentlemen, a very good evening to you. I'm delighted to be here today, and thanks once again to UNICEF and the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare for inviting me to this very important and very meaningful event, Ma. You know, it's very difficult for me today, right now, because the most passionate voice was just heard. And really, a big round of applause to all my Asha Behens and the Anganwadi workers who work so passionately to spread this message of breastfeeding. Yes, we are discussing breastfeeding here. In our culture, this is something that has been spoken about for centuries. Writers have written about it, movies have been made about it, and artists have painted it. There's never been a doubt about its importance. It has been associated with the mother's love and connect with her child, and also the right start it can give her child. But I feel there's always a need to reiterate the important and good things in life. And this is one great thing: simple, effective, and so natural. Hence, when UNICEF spoke with me about this campaign, Ma, mother's affection, as a mother, I was totally drawn to it. It made me smile thinking of my own time with my children. And I felt there is even if there's a little bit I can do to support the already amazing work of the Ministry of Health, Government of India, I will feel like I have made some contribution. I would like to share only two things about breastfeeding. Mother's milk in the first hour of birth, which is also known as colostrum, is critical, and every family member has to encourage the mother to ensure that the child gets it. The family, especially the husband, must support his wife who has delivered his baby. Second is that the breastfeeding for the first 6 months is another important thing, not even water, unless, of course, there have been some circumstances where the doctor has recommended the child to have some. Finally, I would like to end by mentioning a word: support. Support is very necessary. कहते हैं ना, जब माँ बनती है तो कहते हैं, अरे breastfeeding should be the most natural thing, वो तो हो जाएगा, कर लेगी. लेकिन ऐसा नहीं होता, क्योंकि उसमें भी issues आ सकते हैं, problems आ सकते हैं. तो उस माँ के साथ बहुत closely अगर उनकी family उन्हें support करती है, अगर उनकी माँ, उनकी मदर इन लॉ, उनके हस्बैंड सब उनको सपोर्ट करते हैं, उन्हें वो काउंसलिंग दिलाते हैं जो उनको वो प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करने में हेल्प करे, ताकि वो निराश फील ना करे, क्योंकि बहुत से लोग निराश होकर ब्रेस्ट फीडिंग बंद करते हैं क्योंकि उन्हें दिक्कतें आती हैं उसमें. तो अगर ये सपोर्ट उन्हें मिले तो आई थिंक वो सक्सेसफुली एक माँ का रोल कर सकती है. लेट्स सपोर्ट मदर्स टू ब्रेस्ट फीड. The government is doing what they have through lakhs of health workers. But we all, each one of us, has to play a role in contributing to this massive job. I urge the media to write about this campaign, which will encourage many more mothers and women to breastfeed. Thank you very much.